All right, excuse me, some highlights from GreatStockPicks.com, our live trading chat room from October 24th, Thursday. I think it was yesterday's video where we showed you a few stocks that had what we call intraday shape into the 200-day. And Lennar did it again here today. And when I say shape, you can kind of see how you loosely connect the bottoms and you've got that upside shape there. Couple that with, I'm going to slide a small version of the daily chart over here. That purple line there is a 200-day. It's already up 1, 2, 3 days. You have recent highs here and here. So it's in an area that it's had trouble with back in July, back in September, and the 200 days. So when we get this kind of shape change to the upside on an intraday basis, into those areas, I'm looking for a short. I went ahead and called a short below this green candle right there. You can see the trigger. The 37.65 was the short stop, only 13 cents above. And look at that. That's just been a money setup. It's like an ATM setup almost. There was our short entry right there, and the worst case stop, literally right there. Did the same thing with another home builder. Now this one didn't have the 200-day, but Lennar, L-E-N, is what put the home builders kind of on my radar. And then RYL, another home builder. You can sort of see shape change here too. I didn't have a moving average or anything, but because Lennar was working, I also looked at RYL. And these are 15-minute candles, and that's a very clean little reversal candle right there, nice and narrow. Went ahead and called a short below that candle, 44.13. Stop only 21 cents above. And I mean, that doesn't look like that much, but from 44.13 it did get down to 43.30 on a tight stop. And so there was the short entry, literally right there on that red candle. So those have been working great. Now the afternoons, I'm going to talk about the SPY a little bit. The afternoons have just been plumb goofy as far as setups. I keep joking about changing the website's name to GreatMorningStockPicks.com because the afternoons, I don't like trading them. I make almost all of my money by noon Eastern every day. And as I said, we're just going to start quitting at noon, and all of us meet on a golf course and have a daily scramble or something. And why waste the afternoons? But and you can see. Let me show you a couple things here. This was yesterday. These are 5-minute candles, but I mean, you at least had a sell-off and a bounce. And I mean, you at least had some tradable events, and you almost do every morning. Same thing here, right? You have some tradable events, and then look what happens the rest of the day. And a matter of fact, it happened today too. It's just a slow channel where, and keep in mind, a lot of stocks move with the SPY. So when you get done with the sell-off and the bounce, and a lot of stocks are setting up as well for reversals or good shorts, good longs early in the morning. Then you go into that channel, forget about it. So hopefully your money's in your pocket, and then you can move on and go do something fun with your afternoon. All right, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.